In this video, I will give you a Postman tutorial for beginners. Right, so Postman is a powerful tool for API testing that allow user to send request and view response without writing extensive code. So this tutorial will cover the essential steps for beginner to get started with Postman. Here, as you can see here, this is official website. Visit this Postman website and sign up. So sign up, which you can do for completely free, which is on the top right side corner. Click on it and they will ask you to enter your work email is the username and password, but you can also go and create an account with a Google or SSO. Now once you make an account, it will ask your name here. So let me just enter my name and what is your role. So my role is backend developer, and let's go and click on continue. Right, you can also download this Postman application for your operating system, whether it's Windows, Mac or Linux, or use it the web browser directly in your browser, right, which I can do it right now. So here, familiarize yourself with the Postman GUI, which includes a header, right, and a sidebar and main workspace area where you can create and manage your API request. So making API requests, first of all, create how you can create your first request. So first of all, we have to select the HTTP method. So here you have to choose the type of request, whether it's a GET, whether it's a POST, PUT, delete from the drop down menu, right? So here on the top right, you can just go and click on start building. You will be redirected to a new page here. But this is the shortest method which you can find, which is Postman AI agent builder. With the help of AI, you can build it easily, right? And you have to enter the API endpoint, add headers and parameters, and for post, put request and send request. So after sending a request, you will see this response data in JSON format along with status codes indicating success or failure. For example, 200 for success, right? And here you can also add collections and everything. So this is a flow. On the left side you will see environments and flow here right now. So you have to wait for a few seconds till it load, and this is the very easy and very nice method to run this. So for example, if I just go and click on run, it will start doing it, right? So it's a flow. You can just add 2-3 plugins and together you can see the output at once, right? So this is a way. I hope you found this video very useful. If you did, subscribe.